Praise the Lord everyone, myself Ajad Khan, your physical education teacher. Today I will explain the chapter 1 exercise 1.5 and 1.6. 1.5 Intramural, extramural and its objective. Before explanation, you keep your note copy with you. Intramural. Intramural are combination of two words, intra and muralis. It means the activity which are performed within the wall or within the campus of an institution are called intramural. Now the objective of intramural. 3 point I have explained. Remaining you can see in your copy. To develop leadership quality. Intramural activity are helpful in developing the leadership quality among the students who participate in this activity, but we know that all the students do not become a leader, yet intramural activity help in developing the leadership quality. Second, to develop the feeling of cooperation. It is very difficult to get success along in the field of sports and game. In fact, cooperation is essential to achieve an apex point position in the game and sports. We cannot think about winning, especially in the team game, if the player do not have good cooperation. Next point, to provide the opportunity to develop personality. Another objective of intramural activity is to provide the opportunity to develop the personality of student. This activity provides a number of opportunity to develop physical, social, mental and emotional aspect of personality. This is the objective of intramural. Next is the extramural. Extramural is a combination of two words, extra and muralis. It means activity which are performed outside the wall or campus is called extramural. The objective are in a such way. Point number 1, to develop brotherhood and friendship among the participant institution. Second, to enhance the participant opportunity to talent student. Point 3, to increase the social interaction among team. Next point, to provide a fun, recreation and joy to the greatest possible manner. This is the objective of the extramural. Now the explanation of the exercise 1.5 is clear. Now 1.6 Specific sports program. Specific sports program are the such types of program which are not included in the sports. Even then, it is a very important because of its objective. Its objectives are regarding the health care, awareness of the health, showing the unity, raising a fund for a charity. Sports specific program are in a such way: sports day, health run, run for fun, run for a specific cause and run for unity. Sports day, I am explaining the sports day. Sports day are the such types of specific sports program which are organized by the various school, college, university, office, where the people take part in the various sports activity. The purpose of organizing the sports day to be fun, challenging, exciting and rewarding. Its main purpose is organizing to make a mass participation in the competition. Next is health run. Run for fun, run for a specific cause and run for unity. For explaining all the four specific sport program, if you keep the 5 point in your mind, then you can explain the very easily as health, awareness, unity and raising of fund for charity. One example I am giving. Suppose health run. How you will explain? You can explain in a such way. Health run is a very important specific sport program. Mostly this program is organized by the health department, sport department and social organization The purpose of organizing this program to increase the standard of health in a country, showing the awareness, enjoyment or in all age group. The main purpose, the health for run, is showing also the unity among the different language, between the different language, different religious, and other main purpose for raising a fund for a charity. You can explain in this way remaining other 3 points. Now 1.5 and 1.6 explanation is over. This chapter is fully completed, and next classes I will explain the chapter 2. Bye bye, take care.